Alright, so what we're going to be doing now is the window switch here is not working, obviously. So it's pretty simple removal. All you're going to need, again, is a flathead. So all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. If you have to replace this, this is on a Volvo V&L. Put that part number up there for you. But you just take this flathead, and this little trim piece right here has got to come off. And it's just held in by these clips in the back. So you don't want to use too much pressure or it'll just pop off completely and break those. Alright, so once you get this trim piece removed, just take the flathead, stick it down here in this gap, and pry up. That's going to access this wiring harness here. Push down on the clip. The new one on. Press it back down. And then go back through and replace the trim, sorry. But as you can see, these are the clips that are going to slide in to these slots. And that's it.